Hello children. So today will be continued with the same topic, that is tenses. Children, today we are going to learn about future tense. But before going to discuss, we'll take a quick recap of tense. That what is tense? Tense means time. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action. It tells us when an action takes place. For example, little Tom plays with the soft toy. As we know that there is a great role of verb in the tenses. So the word plays tells us that it is present tense. Okay, means we are talking about present tense. The next is Aunt Sabina sewed a pretty dress for me. So here the word sew tells us that it is past tense. Next is John will perform at the party tomorrow, and so will perform. Okay, will perform. So these word tells that this is future tense, and today we are going to discuss about it. So let's begin. What is future tense, children? Future means the time is yet to come, or you can say the period of time that will come after the present. Okay, so the present tense shows the action which will be done in future time. For example, in this case we use a verb in the future tense. The future tense is composed. Composed means made. Alright. So it is made up of will or shall. Means these are the helping verbs. Plus the base form of the verb means main verb. Okay. Like Ralph will go with you. So here will is helping verb that is used in the future tense, and go is the main verb, means action word, as you know. So Ralph will go with you. Dad will wash the car. Okay. The boy will play with the ball. So helping verb will indicates the future action. Okay. Children, when I or we is the subject, shall is used as a helping verb. Yes, children, we use shall, this helping verb, with I or we pronoun. Like sometimes instead of using will, shall may be used when we use the pronouns I or we. Like I shall return and we shall do it. Alright. Here are some time expressions that tell us that the action is in the future tense. So you have to memorize all these keywords like tomorrow, next week, tonight, later, next Christmas, years from now, this afternoon, next Friday. These all are related to future tense. So here are some examples that denote future tense. So let's revise a few sentences. Lee will join the English club next year. Will join the English club next year. Lance will play basketball later. It will rain tomorrow. They will study their lessons tonight. So all these actions will take place in future. So as we have revised all three tenses, so let's see how to form verbs in three sentences. See children, present tense, past tense and future tense. I love, you loved, I shall love. So here we are talking about present time. This sentence is based on past tense as D is added at the end of the verb, and here I shall love. So shall indicates the future time. You play, you played, you will play. They talk, they will talk. Now this is the notebook work. You have to write all the rules which is written over here. Do in notebook. Okay. Like future tense is used to talk about an action that will take place in future or later on. Rules will plus first form of verb is used, like she will learn English. So this is the first form of verb. Shall is used with I and we. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.